Hey everyone! Today I'm sketching the human foot from 5 different angles, all in pencil. I started with a side view. It's perfect for understanding the overall shape from the heel to the toes. I kept the lines light and focused more on proportions than details. Next, I moved to a 3/4 front angle, a bit trickier due to the perspective. You can see how the toes overlap and how the ankle connects smoothly. I used soft shading to build volume. Then came the back view, a great way to study the heel and Achilles tendon from behind. The fourth pose shows the foot slightly lifted. This helps train the eye to see flow and gesture, not just structure. And finally, a subtle front view with some light shading under the toes to show balance and weight. If the study gave you any ideas or helped in any way, drop me a comment below. I'd love to hear which angle stood out to you or what you'd like to see next.